some sardines?
No.
Okay, can you scan it with this?
It says sardines?
Yeah, push the button.
What? How bizarre is that?
Okay.
Bringing back
Can
sardines.
you scan the
Yeah,
milk?
I like sardines.
Who's going to buy
Oh.
sardines?
You have to wonder about
I
it.
used to love sardines when I was.
How much is it? 6? It's 6? $6? That's expensive milk. Are we in Hawaii?
Yeah.
Tomato juice.
It's about
How much is
$8
the
in
tomato
Hawaii.
juice? How much is it? Ma'am, how much is it? You don't know? Is it $2? Thank you for my present. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm ready to pay. Can I pay by credit card?
Okay.
Okay. See if it works. See if it goes through. Oh, good. It's that time of the year where my credit card sometimes doesn't go through. Do I get change? Can you push your button? Push your button. Give me some change.
Wrong button.
That's when
Good
you want
luck
to
to you,
restart
Kristen.
Nana's heart when the credit card doesn't go through. That's the defibrillator.
It's an electronic cash register / heart starter defibrillator.
She paid with credit. You don't get
Clear.
change when you pay with credit.
When my credit card doesn't go through, you can restart my heart.
Yeah.
Dial the police. She's a con artist.
Did you take Nana's
When you
credit
get your
card?
bill, after you get your bill.
Did you swipe it?
Well, $6 milk, $20 sardines.
How much is the water? How much is that?
How much is it, Avery?
Is it $3?
She doesn't have to know.
Can you say
$3?
clean
Scanning
up?
it.
Say
There's
clean
a
up on
battery in
aisle
there,
9.
I guess.
You got one.
Aisle 9. Okay.
Did you swipe her card? Swipe her card.
There.
It sounds like it worked. Was it good, man?
Yep.
Ask her for her
Let her
ID.
take that card.
Ask her
It
for
just
her
might
ID.
have gone over the limit.
Thank you for
Hold on to
shopping.
it.
Avery's Market.
Yeah. Gotta make sure it's her credit card.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Avery, say thank you for shopping at Avery's.
Let's get one of those like
Chopping
that.
easy.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Avery's
Bye-bye.
Boutique. No, Avery's Grocery.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Great. Avery, look at Papa.
Shopping again.
You want to shop again?
Look at Papa,
I
Avery.
got it.